what's the secret I'm missing, then I'ma come and get it. I'ma be in the middle where I love to be. So all my thugs, if you feel like I feel it, want a piece of the pretty pie, stick out your tongue and say
Who got that? Flow for the 2 stacks. Hoes just trying to know how I do that. One's on my feet with the hat to the back. Find me on the block with the blow with the crack for the money. I'm up. Spit the game and don't quit. Some of y'all hoes ain't never seen bricks. Some of y'all hoes ain't never worked the tip. Most of y'all hoes is out for the script. We'll spit that game. Loud, we all trying to ball, so the shit gotta change. My niggas taking hits to the brain, and I'm still living while you keep on giving me the pain. Maybe it's the train of cocaine in hell. Ain't no rocks, nigga, ain't no sale. Ain't no money for niggas to post bail. What you gon' do, nigga? I can't tell. Shit. Now what's the secret I'm missing? Motherfucker, I'ma come and get it. I'ma be in the middle of the shot with them niggas don't fuck with these. In the city of the murders when niggas know ain't no fucking with it. Hear me spitting them verses and niggas know I done fucking did it. From an A to a bird, it's just something about it. I got to flip it. From the block to the block, if it's steady, crowded, I got to tip it. Come and get you some pretty pie and get a taste of the shit is shy. Well, motherfuckers a killer, motherfucker for real, $1 bill and you feel it right.
Tell me what's the secret I'm missing, then I'ma come and get it. I'ma be in the middle where I love to be. So all my thugs, if you feel like I feel it, want a piece of the pretty pie, stick out your tongue and say I. Tell me what's the secret I'm missing, then I'ma come and get it. I'ma be in the middle where I love to be. So all my thugs, if you feel like I feel it, want a piece of the pretty pie, stick out your tongue and say I.
Y'all head niggas talk that boy. Y'all niggas better walk that boy. Talk about you gon' toss that boy. All better watch your mouth that boy. Y'all think we ready, don't you? Y'all put a bitch heavy, won't you? Slide through that block and slump ya. I'm off that project counter. Tricking them niggas and pimping them bitches is how a nigga flow. Slide through the valley with the foe and run up on them niggas and get them, cause I'ma spit it for the go. C-H-I-C-A-T-O. The city where them niggas is villains and there, put it in your dough. Put one up in your titty for the dough. And show them the pity with the gritty niggas to keep it on the low. It's 1 cause the shit don't stop. It's 2 cause the niggas on the block keep the clip on top. It's 3 cause the hoes hate me, but I'ma still ball till I fall, let the law take me. And I've been kinda gone lately, falling off and fucking with law, got me fucking with a thing for the job. Know who to blame for niggas that slang and them niggas that gang bang. I get the whole thing in the raw shit. I don't think y'all heard of murder. I don't think y'all heard of murder. Niggas being all black with the burner. I don't think they heard of murder. Now what's the secret I'm missing? And I'ma come and get it. And I ain't got no competition, cause it ain't no fucking with it.
Tell me what's the secret I'm missing, then I'ma come and get it. I'ma be in the middle where I love to be. So all my thugs, if you feel like I feel it, want a piece of the pretty pie, stick out your tongue and say I. Tell me what's the secret I'm missing, then I'ma come and get it. I'ma be in the middle where I love to be. So all my thugs, if you feel like I feel it, want a piece of the pretty pie, stick out your tongue and say I. Tell me what's the secret I'm missing, then I'ma come and get it. I'ma be in the middle where I love to be. So all my thugs, if you feel like I feel it, want a piece of the pretty pie, stick out your tongue and say I. Tell me what's the secret I'm missing, then I'ma come and get it. I'ma be in the middle where I love to be. So all my thugs, if you feel like I feel it, want a piece of the pretty pie, stick out your tongue and say I.
Ja Rule on one. Yeah, it's our world. Please believe niggas ain't real. Please believe it's murder. Please believe I-N-C. Niggas, what's fucking with me? R-U-L-E. Love me or hate me, baby. Refer to 336, baby. That's the rule. Please, niggas, don't get it confused. See this game that we play, y'all playing to lose. Who's next to wanna ride? Who's spitting how I do? Niggas knowing they wanna ride. Rule, baby. I've been really out of control lately. If you relating, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. Y'all feeling my pain? I've been running while time in the game. Y'all swerving my lane. I pull up and start popping your brain. Fuck knowing these broads' names, extravagant champagne. Y'all niggas is lame. My niggas ain't sane. What you fucking with? Y'all niggas wanna band? Who? They wanna ride? Who? Y'all know them niggas who steady screaming, fuck you.
It's murder, murder. You know it's murder, murder. We screaming, we yelling, we living murder, murder, murder.
Y'all ain't feeling? Who? Y'all don't like? Who? Y'all know them niggas who steady screaming, fuck you.
It's murder, murder. You know it's murder, murder. We living, we breathing, we screaming murder, murder,
Murder ain't just my blood, we'll go through the pain together by any means. We popping and hiding, whoever, or so it seems. Niggas that's getting high, not this hot nigga very high. See it in your eyes, niggas ready to die. But as long as I'm alive, I'm putting this on my life. For niggas that ain't right, they get it up dangerous niggas alive. All of my niggas bang with us and let's ride. Motherfuckers will fall but not many survive. Cause 50 shots staring through the side of your ride. Cause we are murderers. Motherfucker, you heard clear. Murderers. Popping collars in here, popping shots to your rear view. Bullets they tear through. Got niggas wondering like what the fuck did I do? So niggas wanna go and get their man cause they can do this shit. Because they got no heart for this. Bust a gun and body shit. Niggas like you probably snitch to a nigga they get rich. Niggas like you always fit 6 feet deep inside a ditch. There ain't nothing fucking with this. You know why? Nigga, I just came in the game ready to die. Ready to hold heat, drive by the roof, popping shots through the sunroof, screaming fuck you.
Y'all niggas wanna bang, they wanna ride. Y'all know them niggas who steady screaming fuck you.
It's murder, murder, you know it's murder, murder. We screaming, we yelling, we living murder, murder, murder.
Y'all ain't feeling y'all don't like y'all know them niggas who steady screaming fuck you.
It's murder, murder, you know it's murder, murder. We living, we breathing, we screaming murder, murder.